feel like I'm the Michelle Obama of bass world. Call me the first lady. I'm Michelle Obama. I'm Michelle Obama. I'm Michelle Obama. I can put off when my team is my honor. I'm Michelle Obama. I'm Michelle Obama. I'm Michelle Obama. I can put off when my team is my honor. I be coming through swag and super heavy. People know me cause I'm bass world first lady. Master chef, I'm in the kitchen cause I cooked it up. Rachel Ray on your asses, bitches look me up. I'm in the White House winning, no Sarah Palin. Climb that ladder to the top, bitch, I'm never failing. Like Dick Cheney, I'm a goon, so I stay strapped. They took the swag out of rap, they thought brought it back. Stuck a car, Air Force One, bitch, we in the jet. Started counting money 2 years ago, ain't finished yet. On another level, humble, ain't got a brag. Set my game up now, I call it presidential swag. 2012, baby, clean up for re-election. I go out in a nigga in the recession. People saying I'm not bass, boy, you for real? Niggas show some respect to Luke and Neil. Thanks so much money, I ain't even got a rob. Pink Chevy sitting reppin' that bitch mob. Like the Rock said, people time for a change. I'm riding bass till the die, never switching lanes. Spreading positivity and love is my mission. Helping bass world grow is my ambition. Bass world on top, so fuck the rest. DJ Kelly on you haters, cause we the best. Ayy, bass freestyle, bass queen, let's share.